Hello students, you are welcome to a 6th period class on 10th standard mathematics, very important chapter, that is statistics. Children, in this video I would like to present you people the concept of Vaju Graphs. Dear students, I think in the previous classes we have practiced how to calculate mean, median and mode. So that and all one part. So in that part definitely we can expect either it may be mean or it may be median or it may be mode. 100% there is no any doubt. In the annual exam definitely we can expect one question for 3-mark question. Again the second part is construction of Vaju graphs. In this part definitely we can expect one graph. Either it may be less than Vaju or it may be more than Vaju. Definitely we can expect one question for 3-mark question. Dear students, so here in this video I would like to present you people the concept of Vaju graphs. Dear students, put the headline Vaju graphs. Vaju graphs. Vaju graphs. So definitely we can expect one question for 3 marks. Here children, we have two types of Vaju graphs. The first one is less than type Vaju, and the second one is more than type Vaju. Understand children? So here we have two types of graphs. The first one is less than type Vaju and the second one is more than type Vaju. In this video I would like to present you people how to draw or how to construct less than type Vaju. Children, in bracket here you have to write down. So here I have given you one trick, one platform, one code, that is loofah code, L-U-F-A, loofah code. So this loofah code is used to construct less than type Vaju, and the second one is more than type Vaju. So here I have given you another code for drawing more than type Vaju, that is MLFS. MLFS. MLFS is the trick. MLFS is the code used to find or used to calculate more than type Vaju. Understand children? So here you have two important graphs. The first one is less than type Vaju and the second one is more than type Vaju. For drawing less than type Vaju, you have one trick, that is loofah. For drawing more than type Vaju, you have another trick, that is MLFS. Children, now I shall take up one problem. Please follow the class. Now open your textbook, page number 108. Open your textbook, page number 108. Children, here we have a first question, that is the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Daily income they are given as 100 to 120 daily income. The number of workers 12. 120 to 140 the number of workers 14. 140 to 160 the number of workers 8. 160 to 180 the number of workers 6, and 180 to 200 the number of workers 10. So here we have to convert the above distribution table into less than type Vaju and also draw the graph. It's very simple children, it's very simple. So here definitely I will show you in detail how to draw the less than type Vaju by taking the trick, that is loofah tricks. Children, please write neatly the question in your notes. So then after that, here I would like to present only the answer. Children, here you should write less than type Vaju. In bracket, pencil, even though in annual exam, you have to write in pencil, that is loofah. After drawing or after constructing the less than type Vaju, then take your eraser and rub this one. Understand, children? So here I would like to present only the answer. Children, so here only we have 3 columns. Either it may be more than type Vaju or it may be less than type Vaju. We have a 3 important columns. Now let me write those columns. The first one is daily income. Daily income. In rupees they are given. In bracket you can write down class interval. And here you have to write frequency or number of workers. Number of workers. In bracket you can write down frequency. Children, so this is what we called as question. Understand, children? This is what we called as questions. Now let me complete the question. That is here daily income, number of workers. Children, here we have the question that is less than type Vaju. So in less than type Vaju, we have to take, see children, loofah stands for less than upper limits frequency addition. Understand, children? Loofah stands for, once again, listen to me carefully. You have to keep this expansion in your mind permanently. Listen to me, children. Loofah stands for less than, upper limits, frequency addition. Less than, upper limits, frequency addition. Less than, upper limits, frequency addition. For drawing less than type Vaju, we should take from class interval upper limits. So here we have the upper limits, that is 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. So these are nothing but upper limits. Children, let us take less than upper limit, that is 120. Next, less than upper limit 140. Next, less than upper limit 160. Again, less than upper limit 180. Next, less than upper limit 200. Children, here I have taken the 5 class intervals, only the upper limits as per loofah tricks. Children, here if you take lower limits, you cannot get the marks. Though if you draw the graph, but the evaluator should not give any marks for you. Okay, that's why you have to take for less than type Vaju only upper limits. Understand, children? For less than type Vaju, you have to take only upper limits. That's why here we have taken only the upper limits. For first class interval, upper limit is 120. Second class interval, upper limit is 140. Third class interval, upper limit is 160. Fourth class interval, the upper limit is 180. And the fifth class interval, the upper limit is 200. Next, we should take the frequency as it is. That is 12. The next one is 14. Next one is 8. Next one is 6. The last one is 10. Children, now listen to me carefully. For drawing less than type Vaju, we should take only less than upper limits, less than upper limits, less than upper limits over, less than upper limits over, we have taken frequency also. The next, the last one is cumulative frequency. Children, this is very important column. So this column is nothing but y-axis column. Cumulative frequency column is nothing but y-axis column. Less than upper limits column is nothing but x-axis column. Less than upper limits column is nothing but x-axis column. Cumulative frequency numbers is nothing but y-axis column. Children, as we know all, in case of median, we should know very well how to write the cumulative frequency values. Here let us write 12 as it is. 12 plus 14, that is 26. 26 plus 8, that is 34. 34 plus 6, that is 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Understand, children? So here we have taken cumulative frequency as 12. Here we should take 12 as it is. 12 plus 14, 26. 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Understand, children? Now we should go for taking graph sheet. So this is what we called as a table for drawing less than type Vaju. So this table is very important, children. So definitely based on table, we are going to draw the less than type Vaju graphs. Children, once again I will explain you. For drawing less than type Vaju, we have three important columns. The first column is less than frequency, cumulative frequency. Suppose if they give us instead of less than the words, for example weight, for example production yield, for example daily income, you should take here daily income. Number of workers we called as frequency, cumulative frequency. That means that we have only three columns. But the first column is less than, second one is frequency, third one is cumulative frequency. Once again, less than, frequency, cumulative frequency. Once again, less than, frequency, cumulative frequency. Understand, children? Now take out your graph sheets. Children, please watch the video completely. Then you should go for drawing less than type Vaju in a graph sheet. Children, we should first take the x-axis line, y-axis line. So this line we called as y-axis line. That means vertical line we called as y-axis line. Vertical line we called as y-axis line. And x-axis we called as horizontal line, or horizontal line we called as x-axis. This x-axis line, y-axis line intersecting at the point 0. Okay, children? Here we should take the x-axis line, the points that is less than number columns. Less than 120, here less than 200. Least number is 120, highest number is 200. Of course, these numbers are present purely in arithmetic progression. Okay, let us take 120, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 and 220, 240. Children, this is what we called as daily income. Daily income in rupees. Or we can take this one as less than numbers. So here we should take this one as that means y-axis as number of workers. Number of workers you should take as cumulative frequency. Number of workers you should take as cumulative frequency. Here the numbers are See children, almost all these numbers are even numbers, the two larger numbers. Better you take 5 5. That means 5 5 also I think it is bigger. 10 10. Let us take here 10, here 20, here 30, 40, 50, 60. Enough children. Okay. So here we have taken each centimeter is equals to 10 10 units. Y-axis each centimeter is equals to 10 10 units. And x-axis we have taken each centimeter is equals to 20 20 units. Okay children, now we should go for drawing the or marking the points, locating the points. Children, I already told you this is what we called as y-axis. Y-axis. This is what we called as x-axis. See children, in x-axis 120, 12, where we can locate 120 comma 12. 120 comma 12. So I can locate here. So here we will get 120 comma 12. 140 comma 26. Children, definitely in 140 line we should go up to 26. 26 here I can locate. And the third one is 160 comma 34. 160 comma 34. 160 under 34. 34 maybe here we will get. 180 40, exactly 40. So we should go in a line that is 180 towards 40. Almost here we will get. Next 250. We should go in a line 200 up to 50. So here we will get 50. Children, now you should take scale. Understand? Just you watch the video repeatedly so that you will get the idea. Take your scale. Take your scale. Take your scale. Just to connect points. Connect the points. Connect the points. Using scale, you should connect the points. Children, so here the point is 120 comma 12. And here the point is 140 comma 26. Here the point is 160 comma 34. And here the point is 180 comma 40. And the last point is 200 comma 50. Understand children? So this is the way we are going to draw or construct the less than type Vaju graphs. And finally you should write scale. This is very important children. Suppose if you are not write the scale means the evaluator will deduct 1 mark. Scale x-axis. X-axis almost all 1 centimeter which is equals to, see children, 1 centimeter is equals to 20 units. Children, here you should start the curve from 0. From 0 you should start the curve. Or otherwise you need not write this zigzag lines. You need not write zigzag lines. Or you can start the curve line. Nothing will happen. No problem. X-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 20 units. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 units. 10 units. After writing scale, again we should look the graph. Everything is correct or not. After checking, over. So this is the way we are going to present drawing. We are going to draw or construct less than type Vaju. Understand children? I hope you have got idea. Just to watch the video one more time, definitely will get the idea how to draw less than type Vaju. Okay children, just to pause the video and take down the notes. So after this I will show you the second problem. Okay children, next take down the second problem. Take down the second problem. Second problem as per your textbook. Page number 108, you will have the second problem. That is direct problem children. Direct problem. So directly you have to draw the less than type Vaju. Suppose if you have less than the numbers, which seems that direct graph. Children, I already told you second question is direct graph. So there we have the table directly. Now let me read the question children. During a medical checkup, 35 students of a class, children, I will show you. Their weights were recorded as follow. Weights in kg: less than 38, the number of students 0, less than 40, the number of students 3, less than 42, the number of students 5, less than 44, the number of students 9, less than 46, the number of students 14, less than 48, the number of students 28, less than 50, the number of students 32, less than 52, the number of students 35. Children, here you should draw less than type Vaju, and also you have to find the median. How to find median, as we know all. Children, so here I will give you one tricks. First you should draw the less than type Vaju. So then after that I will give you the tricks how to find median. Okay children? Children, if we have 35, the number of students who are attended for medical checkup is 35. Here also we have 35. Understand children? Suppose if we have 35 in the question and in cumulative frequency column also, if you get the last digit 35, which clearly indicates that this is what we called as cumulative frequency column. This is what we called as less than column. This column we called as x-axis column, and this column we called as y-axis column. Understand children? This is x-axis column and this is y-axis column. Children, let us write these values directly in the answer sheet. Weights in kg, weights in kg, less than 38, less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48, less than 50, less than 52. Number of students. Number of students here 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. Children, now we should draw the graph. So as we know that this is y-axis. Children, this is what we called as x-axis. Cumulative frequency we called as y-axis. This line we called as y-axis line, and this line we called as x-axis line. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? This is what we called as x-axis. This is what we called as y-axis. Children, here you can take in x-axis column the directly these numbers. That is, the first one is 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54. And y-axis column, we should take these numbers. Let us take 0. Children, 0, here you will get again 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. So better you take 5, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now you can do yourself the graph. Okay, children? For 38, 0. Here only will get 38, 0. 43. So in 40, we should go up to 3. 42, 5. So 42, 5 means here itself you will get. 44, 9. 44, 9. Nearer to 10. 46, 14. 46, 14. 46, 14. 48, 28. 48, 28. 28. So almost all here you will get. 50, 32. 50, 32. 50, 32. So here you will get. The last one is 52, 35. 52, 35. And finally, see children, you have to take scale and join the points. This is what we called as less than type Vaju. Here you should write less than type Vaju. Children, after connecting the points, you have to locate the numbers. This is what we called as 38, 0, and this is 40, 3, and this is what we called as 42, 5, and this is called 44, 9, and this is 46, 14, and this is 48, 28, and this is 50, 32, and the last one 52, 35. 52, 35. Children, see, this is what we called as less than type Vaju. And finally, here you should write scale, children. Scale, x-axis, y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to, x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units. 2 units. 2 units. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 units. Scale is very important. I told you, without scale, you will get 1 mark reduction. Understand, children? See, this is the way we are going to present the graphs. That means less than type Vaju graphs. Children, here you have to use one trick, that is for finding median. Children, here we have taken less than 38. So you have to take for less than numbers, for less than you should take upper limits. Here upper limit is 38, maybe lower limit is 36. 36 to 38, 36 to 38, 36 to 38, 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 52, 52. So this type you have to write the class intervals. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 38 ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆದಾಗ 36 ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 36 to 38, 38 to 40. Understand children? 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 52. So this is what we called as class interval for the same data. All same data ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೈನ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಲೈನನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ 0 is the first frequency. 3 minus 0, again 3 we will get. 5 minus 3, 2 you will get. Children, here I am writing the frequency line. Frequency line ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೇಟಾಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Again 9 minus 5, that is 4. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 14 minus 9, 14 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಹೋದರೆ again that is 5. Children, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 14 minus 9. Understand children? Again 28 minus 14, that is again 14. 32 minus 28, 32 minus 28, that is 4. 35 minus 32, that is 3. So this is what we called as frequency. For example, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. Children, it is also very important. If you have class interval and frequency, you should know very well how to calculate or how to find median. It's very simple. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಹಾನಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ವಜೀವನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪಕ್ಕ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ಫೈನಲಿ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫು. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದವಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಲೂಫಾ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೂಫಾ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ವೈ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಲೂಫಾ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲಮನ್ನು ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ವೈ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದವಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಕದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ I shall take up more than type Vaju. Okay children, thank you. Just to pause the video, take down the notes. Okay children, today in this video I think you have got idea how to draw less than type Vaju for different problems. Okay children, keep learning, keep practicing your mathematics, that is 10th standard mathematics. Thank you children.